हरिओम। सब में वसे तो साईं. A simple yet a very profound and meaningful Sindhi bhajan. It explains us in every way that there is only one God all around, in us, outside us, around us. Everything, everyone, everywhere is God. The whole world is filled with God, one without second. There is no duality or multiplicity, there is only oneness. The mind is the same in everyone, the five elements are present in all. The ears are the same, the eyes are the same, the skin is the same, the life breath too is the same. It is the one divine that flows through all. Then why do we see others as more or less, higher or lower, inferior or superior? What appears as diversity is only because of our conditioning, our sanskars, our swabhavs, our ways of looking at life, and all of which is an illusion. Truth is that in that illusory diversity there is one divine presence. God has given everyone the same gift, He Himself. In delusion, we've forgotten the truth in oneness. The truth is oneness, the illusion is separation. We are one with God, one with the entire universe, and one with each other. Because there is only one God, there is only one substance, one soul, one reality. Duality is a mirage, an illusion. Everything has come from God, belongs to God, and will return to God. There is only one. Where there is one, there is no duality. And without duality, there is no distance, no separation from anyone. Often in our search for joy, love, or even in our search for God, we get lost in illusions, comparing, separating, or wandering outside. This bhajan gently draws us back to our center, to our own divine essence. Let us walk through it together and discover its timeless message. सब में वसे तो साईं, घटवद छो तो भाई, सूरत उआ तही सागी, भोले में भुलियो आई. The same God lives in every being, yet we keep judging some as high and others as low. With true eyes of love and wisdom, we will see only one divine face everywhere, the face of God Himself. But we are caught in illusions of different forms, and in that illusion we forget the truth. We lose ourselves in the grief of separation when there is only oneness. One became many, and it's the same one who's existing in many, in everything and everyone. आई जतो में ब्याई तया विधि जुदाई, न त ही हू मिरियोई हिक थई, सब थई सिर जा साईं. There is this lie, this illusion, this disease of duality that has creeped into us through conditioning of material world. We are always taught to see you and me, this and that. It is this duality that creates the illusion of separation. In reality, there is no other. Everything is God, everyone is God. Everyone is a crown jewel, equally divine, equally precious, and one with the divine. तोखा जुदा को नाहे, नाही जुदा तू कैखा, हिक जोत जोतई जलवो, तू प्यो हजार भाई. No one is separate from you, and you are not separate from anyone. All of creation is one with God. The flame is one, though it appears as thousands of lamps. The light may shine in countless forms, but the source is always one, eternal sacred flame, the divine Himself. गंगा वनी छो गौहर, जमुना वनी छो जौहर, असली छडे तू तीरथ, नदियुन में छो प्यो नाई. Humans often go seeking God in pilgrimages, in rituals like bathing in holy rivers like Ganga and Jamuna, in temples, basically in the entire external world. But the real treasure, the true pilgrimage, actually lies within us. All we have to do is go inward. Bathing in external rivers cannot cleanse the soul. Only when we turn inward and meet the God within, do we actually find the eternal Ganga and Jamuna flowing inside us only. And only a true Guru makes us meet the divine within and helps us flow with what God is trying to give us every moment. घर जो छॾे खज़ानो दर दर बणी दीवानो तू पाण आहीं राजा पोइ छो गुलाम भाई. Why wander like beggars in the outside world when the treasure lies within your own heart? Why live like a slave when your true nature is royal? God Himself, divine, is within you. You're one with God, infinite in power, infinite in light. Let's awaken to our inner kingdom instead of begging for crumbs outside. Let's return to our true home, the divine within, and stay there forever. हिन राज खे जो खोले सो ही तो पाण ॻोल्हे प्रेमी अंदर पियो बोले तूं छो ॿाहिरि पियो बोली. A true Guru unlocks the greatest secret for us, that each one of us is pure, divine, immortal, eternal self. And when this truth dawns on us, love begins to speak from within, because the divine is within. God is within us, and God is love, love is God. Love just flows naturally from us when the truth dawns on us, when we realize who we are. So don't keep searching for words outside. When our own inner voice, the voice of the divine, is full of love, full of truth, and that voice is speaking to us through us, listen to that divine within and stay in oneness always. This bhajan is a mirror held before us by a true Guru. The Guru tells us, stop looking outside, stop feeling small, stop seeing the differences. The same light, the same God shines in all. With the Guru's grace, when we truly recognize this truth, life becomes a celebration of love, oneness, and freedom. Let us live each day remembering, I am not separate, you are not separate. We are all the same ocean, same flame of the eternal light. We are all one with God, now and here. सब में वसे तो साईं घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई. सब में वसे तो साईं घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई. घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई. सूरत उहा थई सागी भोले में भुलियो आहीं. भोले में भुलियो आहीं. सभ में वसे तो साईं घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई. घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई. आई जातो में ॿियाई जंहिं विधि जुदाई. आई जातो में ॿियाई तंहिं विधि जुदाई. न त ही हू मेरियो ही हिकु थई सभु थई सिर जसाईं. न त ही हू मेरियो ही हिकु थई सभु थई सिर जसाईं. सभ में वसे तो साईं घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई. घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई. तोखा जुदा को नाहे, नाही जुदा तू कैखा, तोखा जुदा को नाहे, नाही जुदा तू कैखा, हिक जोत जो थई जलवो, तू पियो हजार भाई, हिक जोत जो थई जलवो, तू पियो हजार भाई। सब में वसे तो साईं, घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई, घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई। गंगा वनी छो गौहर, जमुना वनी छो जौहर, गंगा वनी छो गौहर, जमुना वनी छो जौहर, असली छॾे तू तीरथ, नदियुन में छो पियो नाही, असली छॾे तू तीरथ, नदियुन में छो पियो नाही। सब में वसे तो साईं, घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई, घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई। घर जो छॾे खज़ानो, दर दर बणी देवानो, घर जो छॾे खज़ानो, दर दर बणी देवानो, तू पाण आही राजा, पोइ छो गुलाम भाई, तू पाण आही राजा, पोइ छो गुलाम भाई। सब में वसे तो साईं, घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई, घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई। हिन राज़ खे जो खोले, सो ही तो पाण ॻोल्हे, हिन राज़ खे जो खोले, सो ही तो पाण ॻोल्हे, प्रेमी अंदर पियो बोले, तू छो ॿाहिर पियो बोली, प्रेमी अंदर पियो बोले, तू छो ॿाहिर पियो बोली। सब में वसे तो साईं, घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई, घट वध छो कंहिंखे भाई। सूरत उहा थई साॻी, भोले में भुलियो आहीं, भोले में भुलियो आहीं। पे तो साईं घटवध छोके खे भाई, घटवध छोके खे भाई, घटवध छोके खे भाई, घटवध छोके